Hey Samir, my laptop's acting up again. The screen keeps freezing, and I have no idea why.
Ugh, that's the worst. Did you try restarting it? Sometimes, it's just a small glitch.
Yeah, I've restarted it a couple of times, but it keeps happening. I think it might be a virus or something.
Have you checked for updates or run a virus scan? That's usually my first step when something's wrong.
I haven't yet. I'm not super tech savvy. Where do I even start with a virus scan?
No worries. Open your antivirus program. If you don't have one, I can help you download a free one like Avast or Malwarebytes. It'll scan your system for any issues.
Okay, I'll try that. What if it's not a virus, though? The computer's been really slow too.
Then it might be a storage issue. How full is your hard drive? If you've got tons of files, photos, or programs you don't use anymore, it could be slowing things down.
Good point. I haven't cleaned out my files in forever. Do you think I'll need to take it to a repair shop if nothing works?
Not yet. After you run the virus scan and clean up your files, try restarting it again. Also, clearing the cache on your browser and uninstalling unnecessary apps might help.
Okay, I'll do all that tonight. If it's still broken, you're coming with me to the repair shop, right?
Deal. But I bet we'll get it fixed ourselves. It's probably just clutter or a little bug. You've got this.
Fingers crossed. Thanks, tech genius.
Anytime. Let me know how it goes.